Okay, so now you have finished your letter. Congratulations. Now, here's a kick butt copywriting trick that I want you to start implementing. Once you finish your copy, just only read the subheads. Why? Because no matter how good your copy is, most likely no one's going to read the whole thing. No one, they're not going to read the whole package. So you want to make sure you get your message across, especially to scanners. People just want to scan, look for stuff. That's important. That's the importance of your subheads. So make sure your subhead does its job. So pretend nobody's reading anything. They've just read your headline, and now they're going to just read the subheads. So we're going to continue with the same promotion we were working off of, which is this blood pressure promotion of what to do when your blood pressure just won't go down. And I'm going to just read subheads, and you tell me if you think I've taken it to the close, if I've actually taken the reader to just scan and understand what I've got in here from. So they've read the headline. Then the first thing they'll see is the 3-step secret to healthy blood pressure. It works even when others fail. Okay? And then I'm going to move to promotes healthy cholesterol too. Now you can get my 3-step program for healthy blood pressure in one easy-to-take capsule. Blood pressure out of control? Starting to worry about your blood pressure? Got a history of blood pressure problems in your family? Then you need to try the product pronto. 100% risk-free during the special limited time invitation. Plus you get 9 free valuable gifts. Okay? Then the name of the product at your lowest price available anywhere. You get up to 4 free bottles also. Value of $119.80. Yours free. During the special offer, you also get 3 special health reports absolutely free. Okay, I'm loving this. All right, special bonus. During this special limited time introductory offer, we pay for shipping and handling on your order of 6 bottles or more. A $6.95 value, yours free. All right. You will experience healthy blood pressure, or the product is free. Then isn't it time you put an end to your blood pressure worries once and for all? And now I'm taking them to the order form. So you see, from here, if you do that and just read it, you might find some holes in your copy that you thought, oh, I need to bring up something here. So this way, if somebody doesn't read a word of your text, of the copy itself, and they're just scanning and looking at your subheads, they should know what the product is about, what you're going to offer them, what they're going to get for free, what the price is going to be, and encouraging them to go ahead and make that sale. So do this trick. Read your subheads only after you write your letter. It's going to get your control.